Here's a question I got. Do fired employees for employment performance get offered severance, or is that for those that are laid off? Good question. I presume you mean that they're fired for some kind of performance reason when you're showing up late, whatever the case may be, whether accurate or not. And the answer is there's no rule as to when you get severance and when you don't. It varies company by company. It's possible you can get severance for even if you're fired for performance reasons because the company wants the release. Well, by that I mean they want the release that says you're not going to sue them for any reason under the sun. They might be a non-compete or a non-disclosure agreement which binds you from saying, negative things about the company. And the company may want that, and so they may be willing to offer you some severance to get that. Probably not going to be a lot, a couple of weeks, maybe a month, but it can happen. In terms of people who are laid off, again, it varies. There's no legal requirement that an employer offer you severance if you are laid off. It's, of course, the right thing to do. But sometimes, companies are laying off people because they're broke and they don't have to pay money to pay severance even if they want to. So to answer your questions, it just depends. Depends on the character of the company and what they're trying to achieve. You can get severance in all kinds of situations. You can also not get severance in all kinds of situations. The one time where it might lead to some kind of legal liability for the company is if there's some sort of wrongdoing, right? Like if you've been retaliated against, you've been discriminated against on the basis of what we call protected class. So your sex, your color, your race, national origin, disability. Then you're not required to get a severance, but the company may want to offer you one in order, again, to get that release because they know the company knows it's done something wrong. In those situations, it often helps to have a lawyer. You're likely to get a better severance than if you did it on your own, but you can still do it on your own. So anyway, good question. It depends. It depends on the situation. Companies aren't required to offer severance except in very limited circumstances. So anyway, I hope that helps and good luck out there.